Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today is February 2nd, 2020, making today a Sunday. Today we're going to be analyzing the week of February 3rd to the 7th, 2020. Is the very first week of February. February is going to be a short month and it's going to be a very successful month. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube, please do so by clicking that bell notification below so you will be aware when we post brand new videos, so you will be up to today's date. It will not cost you anything. Everything comes through our triple arrow system. The triple arrow is the best system in the world. So if you have not grabbed the link yet, I will be leaving the link below and giving you $20 cash back if you sign up. All right, so just want to help the world somehow, and just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Another thing that I need to let you guys know is we also have our Forex USA group, and where you can sign up and be aware when we post brand new link videos in there as well. All right, so we're gonna be helping everyone if you want to be helped. All right, the next thing for all those haters there, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds, wait guys, and hundreds of pips. Remember, triple arrow is the best system in the world. I don't care what other people may say, but it is. So you're gonna see it. You're gonna see it. I mean, I'm gonna show you, but remember, I'm not your financial advisor. You can do whatever you want with the data that I'm gonna be posting on this video, but the risk is on your own. So if you don't have the triple arrow system, again, the link is below. All you gotta do is click, and you will be getting $20 cash back. All right. So let's get to work and see if you guys have any question. All right. So make sure you comment below on this video so I can answer your question. And we're gonna come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time to review what we're doing today, so you can learn as we go. All right. As you know, the month of January we had only one loss, so the whole month one loss is really good. So I mean, it is what it is. Triple arrow will not lie to you guys. So if you know how to use it, it's a killer. All right, let's get to work. So what do I have for you guys on this week? This is make sure guys, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment below, so we will be working side by side. Okay, I really want to help everyone, but the only way that you can help yourself is only if you ask questions. All right, in this pair here we had the US dollar versus the Swiss francs. Look at what time frame are we using, guys. I always highlight it because it will help you. I mean, it is what it is. It will help you. So that's the only way you're gonna be learning, by allowing me draw some of the big boxes, rectangle boxes on it on the chart. But I mean, it is what it is. All right. So what's the analysis for this week? So this is a great one, guys. Look at here. What triple arrow is telling us the market is doing what? Look at that. Market is bearish. When the market is bearish, then, I mean, when we have triple arrow pointing down, look at what the market is doing. Exactly what the triple arrow is telling us. Look at that. Exactly. So what is my overall count for this week? To be honest, I'm looking for another one or two candle to retest our 0 Fibonacci line. And from this particular area here, we're looking for a potential small buy, retracing and retesting mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. And then for this area here, we're looking for a continuation of the market. So what do you think it's gonna do for that particular area, guys? What do you think it's gonna do? All right, so we're looking for a potential sell. I mean, that's what it looks so far on down. Let me change the colors on this drawing. I really don't like the weird color. We're gonna put it on white. That will help you. All right, so any questions? If you don't, or if you do, make sure you come on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time so you can ask questions with the rest of the crew. All right, it's a very helpful class that that I do for you guys. So remember, all this, guys, is completely free to you guys. All right, so look at here, guys. We have an amazing pair here. We have a USD versus our Canadian dollar. What time frame is this? Exactly, it's 4 hours. Always pay attention to the time frame that I use, guys. And when you're gonna be sending me questions, guys, on my private Telegram, ask me questions about the triple arrow. Don't ask me any question. Hey, you know, this all the traders is using this indicator. I don't care. I don't care what all the traders are doing. I care about what I do. I care about what my analysis. I want you to be the student. I want you to ask questions the way how I teach. All right. So I don't care what other people are doing. I really don't. So, but I want you to be the master here. All right. So what are we looking for this particular week on this pair? We still need about 1 or 2 more candle, right? Look at who has just showed up in here. All right. So it's pretty neat. So this is an indication the market is gonna do a small pullback, retracing our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line, and from that particular area we should be looking for a small pullback, retracing our mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line before the market drop. But we're gonna be coming on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time and reanalyze this pair, so you will be aware of how to use the triple arrow system. All right, so in here we don't have a full formation yet, but what do you think is gonna happen, guys? It's gonna form triple arrow. Will show up in that particular area. You wait for it. You wait for it. I mean, that's what it's doing in this particular area. But we're gonna be patient. We're gonna wait for it, and then we're gonna analyze it when we come back on Wednesday. All right. If you have not seen the video yet, the one that I just loaded recently, the last 3 pairs, the first 3 pairs, the 3-week analysis, you can go back and check the video. Okay, it's very, very useful. That pair was on the Euro USD, GBP USD, and the AUD USD. All right, in case you do have questions. But when we come back on Wednesday, we're gonna reanalyze the whole data together. And if you have any question, we can go offline and analyze some of your pairs so I can help you somehow. All right, so what are we looking for this particular pair here? We're looking for a potential pullback, but market still not fully ready yet. So again, we're looking for 1 or 2 more candles before the market do. What do you think it's gonna do in that particular area? What do you think? Right. So you are correctly right. So we're looking for a small retracement on a sell position, retracing our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. And what do you think it's gonna do from there now? What do you think? Right. Right. So it's gonna come back and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Yep, that's exactly what I was thinking too. So we are in the same side of the boat. Remember, hopefully also we're gonna be looking here for a potential triple arrow pullback. But it's forming. It's forming. All right. So remember, the market here is bullish. So this is type of pullback triple arrow that we're gonna be seeing shortly. But we're gonna come back on Wednesday. You're gonna judge me on Wednesday, and we're gonna do it together, so we all can learn as we go. All right. Remember, triple arrow is what I use here. Triple arrow is the best of the best system in the world. So if you don't have the link yet, the link is below, and we're gonna give you how much money? $20 cash back. All right. All right, let's move forward to our next pair. The next pair that we have here is on the GBP versus our Canadian dollar. Look at my time frame, guys. Look at the time frames that I use. Look at the time frames I use. Again, it's the best. So we're looking for this particular trade here, 1 or 2 more candle. It's not fully ready yet. It's forming, but it's just not ready. So I don't want you to say, oh yeah, that the market is gonna do sell. Not yet. So be patient. In my opinion, we still need 1 or 2, 3 more candle before the market retrace back, and then it's gonna do a small pullback, retracing our 50 to our 38 Fibonacci line. So it's working in that area. So just pay attention. All right. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment below, and so we can continue our education. And remember, all this is free, guys. We're gonna have our super chat open on Wednesday. So if you want to make donation, so we can help our community. We're gonna be giving it back to the community, to you guys. All right, so let's go more forward to our next one. We're gonna be looking on the AUD versus our Canadian dollar. Look at what time frame is this, guys. Look at this. Same thing on these pairs, which is still, we still need more data, maybe 1 or 2 more candle before the market really takes off and do that small pullback. We're looking for pullback to retrace, to be honest, 23 Fibonacci line. What do you think it's going to do from that particular area? It will drop. If the triple arrow forming this area, remember it is a triple arrow pullback, guys. Please don't marry this trade to be in a bullish market, because that's not what it is. If you do that, then I will be sorry for you. Make sure you grab between 20 to 40 pip and get out. But market will give you what it is. So make sure you got rules, guys. This is the only way you succeed in this business, is by respecting your rules. Find whatever niche it is that you're gonna stick to it and master that over and over and over again. That's the only way. Practice make perfection. But you better have a rule that will tell you exactly how you need to operate the market. All right, that's how I do it. I respect my stuff. I respect my rules. I follow them religiously. I don't care what other people do. Really don't. Look at how clean this chart is. It's super clean. I really had the moving average in there, the red and green, but I really don't even use it. I put it in there as a colorful. I trade strictly triple arrow with time frames. All right, looking on this particular area, guys, this is gonna be a really nice, guys, really nice for next week, to be honest. We're looking on this particular trade here. We're looking for another, again, 1 or 2 more candle. But believe it or not, guys, what do you think is gonna happen next week on this area here? We're gonna be looking for a triple arrow formation. Come back on Wednesday at 6 Eastern time and reanalyze this with me. Remind me. But this is great. So we're looking for a triple arrow in this particular area, and where we're gonna be squeezing hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips, because the massive trend on this guy is bearish. Yeah, believe it or not, that is exactly what it's gonna do. But I mean, we still more data. We're looking for more data so we can conform our sell. But yes, I really love this particular pair, so I'm most likely will be looking to do a sell in this area, but it's not ready yet. Okay, and please, guys, don't ever trade on Sundays. Okay, Sunday is not a day to be trading. Please do business Monday to Friday. Don't trade on Sundays. Stay away from Sunday. I always tell the newbies, because they think as soon as the market opens, they need to be in a trade. No, that's not how you do it. All right. If you want to, blow your account, it's better off to donate it to somebody else that really need it more than the market. All right. So consider that instead of giving your money away. All right, look at here on the Swiss francs versus our Japanese yen. What time frame is this again? Exactly 4 hours. Always 4 hours is the best of the best. All right, look at here. We're looking for this week for a potential continuation of the trend, retracing our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. I said I'm gonna stick to this particular pair and be like that. Look at this. Market was doing a what? It was doing a triple arrow pullback, guys. So you see the pullback is over. Now what do you think it's gonna do? It's gonna go up. Why? Because the market, the overall trend here is bullish. Hopefully you get it. All right. Look at here, guys. This is one thing that I always want to tell you. Look at when the sellers come in. Sellers come weaker. Look at when the buyers come. Buyer comes stronger. Sellers come weaker. Now is time for the buyers to take off. It's that simple. Look at that W. Boom, 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 boom. Beautiful W. Anyway, so I mean, it's simple, guys. This type is simple. So you just gotta have rules. Some of you send me private messages and say, Irvin, but you make this so simple. I mean, what else can I do? I cannot make it hard, because it's not hard. You just gotta have your AA game together. I mean, that's how I do it. That's how many of us do it as well. Look at this particular trade here, guys. But in this particular, on the New Zealand dollar versus the USD dollar, we're looking for one or two more candles. It's not fully ready yet, so don't be fooled. Because a lot of people say, oh yeah, Irving, can I trade only the big arrow? No, we use triple arrow system. But look at here, guys. For this particular trade here, we're looking for one or two more candle before the market really takes off. But it's not ready yet, so please don't be fooled. So we're looking for one or two more candles in this area, and then the market is gonna take off, retesting our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. From that particular area, yes, the market may retrace back and retracing our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Look at how Fibonacci lines work, guys. It's very, very powerful. But everything is because you have to be disciplined in this business. Remember what I always said to you guys. Discipline will make you very, very dangerous in this business. But that is only if you respect your rules. Remember, you cannot drive a car without wheels, guy. And a lot of people want to fly when you guys don't have wind. So please, find your niche, guy. Find whatever works for you. If you think this is very valuable to use, stick to one thing. Yeah, there's plenty of coaches in the chat room. They all have different style of trading. Mine it is what it is. Look at that. There's no indicators in there. It's clean as it is. All right, but you can go ahead and add as many indicators you want. It's up to you. But that's not what I do. All right, look at this one, guys. This is a great one. To be honest, I really love this one. What do you think the market is doing on this one? Triple arrow is telling us the market is bearish. Yes, I do agree with that. So in this, what I'm looking for this particular week is a continuation of the trend going with the triple arrow system. Triple arrow system is telling us the market is bearish. So I will give credit to the triple arrow. So the market will drop down and continue as what it is, as bearish. Okay. So if you have any question, please drop it on the comment below. So when we come back on Wednesday, I will know what area I should be helping you. If you don't comment, there's nothing I can do. Remember, all these videos here are free to you guys. All using triple arrow system, one of the best systems in the world. Look at that. Triple arrow said the market is doing what? It's better. Look at here. Triple arrow said the market was going where? It was going up. Look at what happened. Market took off. I mean, how hard it is. Remember, guys, the secret here is to use larger time frame. I always tell you guys every week, use the larger time frame. If you don't know how to do it, then you better find a reason how to improve your trading skills. But I mean, it's easy. All right, super easy. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to USD JPY. What are we looking on this particular pair? Look at what time frame I'm using. I'm using 4 hours time frame, guys. That's what I always use. Look at it, 4 hours time frame. Look at why is the market behaving as a bearish, guy? Why? Right, because triple arrow is telling us the market is trending down. Look at that. Triple arrow will not lie to you. Triple arrow is telling me, hey Irvin, I'm going down. That's exactly what it's doing. And look at that, bam, it's dropped. But for the rest of the week, we still need more data before we start looking for a small retracement back. We're looking for maybe 1 or 2 or even 3 retesting our 78 Fibonacci line. Then we're looking for a potential retracement back, retracing our golden area between our 50 to our 61 Fibonacci line. So yes, the market in this particular trade is doing bearish. You can go back to your chart, check whatever software you're using. If you're not using triple arrow system, go back and match it, and you're gonna find triple arrow super easy. That's why it's called super easy forex, guys. This is just that easy. It's that simple. So it's not hard. All right, so we're gonna move forward and we're gonna go ahead and analyze our next pair. We're gonna go ahead and analyze gold. I usually don't trade gold, guys, but I mean I mean, I'm gonna give it to you because I mean, that's what it is. All right. So in this particular area here, guys, we're looking for a bearish market. All right. Market is telling us, yes, triple arrow is trending down. Look at that. Bam. Market is telling us what that is doing that. But for this particular area, I mean, for this particular week, we still need more data before the market really drops. So in my opinion, yes, the market is still going to give us 1 or 2 or 3 more candles before it give us a area of pullback retesting are going with the triple arrow system. Remember, the market is doing bearish. All right. It's just doing a very tiny, small pullback, but before the market really drops down. All right. So, and yes, in this trade here, market is bearish, but we still need more data before we really jump into this trade here. And I did a yesterday's video, guys. Check it on it. Some of you were asking me, Irvin, how do you read the news? So I put it in a really nice slide at the end of the video where I teach you how you can check the news on your how you can filter your news. So it's very helpful. So remember, guys, if you really don't watch videos, all the analysis we do is this job is gonna be this business, basically not a job. This business is gonna be very tough on you. So invest in yourself. Go back to the video, watch them over and over and over again. That's the only way that your mind will clear any doubt that you may have. And remember, I'm here. I'm doing all this video because I really love enjoying helping you guys. Because I could be doing something else, but I chose to help the world. Because I don't know what part of the world you are in today, but hey, it is what it is. All right. So, and remember, I already analyzed the AUD USD. I already dropped that video in there. I also already analyzed the GBP USD. As well, I already analyzed the Euro USD. So, check those videos already. So, it's pretty neat. I think it will help you a lot if you have any questions. So, I think it's very helpful. So, all right, guys. So, thank you again for coming in. Remember, today is February 2nd, 2020, making today a beautiful Sunday. It's very sunny here. I really love it. Usually, it's weird because we are in winter. But, hey, I take what it is. All right, guys. So, thank you again and looking forward to see you, everyone, on Wednesday.